Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to block a hotspot user on iPhone. So, let's dive right in. iPhones don't allow blocking specific users who are already connected to your hotspot. However, there are a couple of ways to regain control. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. It's the familiar gray gear icon you'll likely find on your home screen. This app gives you access to a wide range of controls and settings for your iPhone, allowing you to personalize your device and how it functions. Navigate to the Mobile Data or Cellular section. Depending on your iOS version, you might find the hotspot settings under either of these sections. Tap on it to open your mobile data settings. Tap on Personal Hotspot. This opens the settings specifically for your iPhone's hotspot functionality. Here, you can manage your hotspot password, name, and other related configurations. Look for the Wi-Fi password section. Tap on Wi-Fi password. This brings up a menu where you can change your hotspot password. Make sure your custom password is strong and difficult to guess. A strong password typically contains a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've chosen a new password, tap on Done in the top right corner to save your changes. This will immediately disconnect any devices currently connected to your hotspot. They will need to enter the new password to reconnect. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.